took us all back to the Abbey and contacting friends, sorting out odds and ends. We have to go back to the Abbey. The engine is made and the Huskies escaped. Come gather and share, come exchange and prepare. It took us all back to the Abbey. The light is the floor through a gallery door. We have to go back to the Abbey. It's empty, I know, missing shadow and show.
Could have been me, could have been you. Who am I to say? After all the things we've done, oh, my words are void, they go straight through. Ghostly letters floating in a clear blue sky.
This is the morning when our feelings rise together with the sun. These are the feelings that are yet to be awoken. How many wishes fade to nothing once they face reality? How many wishes turn to grief? How many wishes going on and on and on and on? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Share this space with other people, and it also acts as a resting place.
and exciting plans. Your behavior sometimes radical to impress your special friends. You felt pressurized to make a sacrifice to fit in, be like everyone. You had some surgery, cosmetic energy. Now your face is gone. There goes your oddity. Let no weakness show. There goes your oddity. Let your sweet self go. Go. Don't wanna know what's written on the last page. Let's just leave, 'cause I've grown so tired of this place. All the road is lonesome before you travel on it. All the road is lonesome before you travel on it. Let the wind run through my fingers. There's a cool breeze coming from the sea. I hear the sand under the wheels. There's a cool breeze. Our Eldorado won't stop running. I'm drifting to sleep. While you drive me far away, we left hand over heels. All the road is lonesome before you travel on it. Let the wind run through my fingers. There's a cool breeze coming from the sea. I hear the sand under the wheels. There's a cool breeze. All the road is lonesome. All the road is lonesome before you travel on it. We travel light, not more than what fitted in a paper bag. Grabbed our boards for a road trip in a Cadillac. All the road is lonesome before you travel on it. Let the wind run through my fingers. There's a cool breeze coming from the sea. I hear the sand under the wheels. There's a cool breeze coming from the sea.